This is one of my two radiators. The other one I'm going to have to do a little welding on. But I want to thank Grant Mara for telling me, well, hey dude, why don't you get a Tata? And I'm like, I wish Tata would have told me a while back they had these radiators, because I went and checked it out for 120 bucks. It's exactly what I need. But I have shot the wad for all my DIO expenses for this year, for right now. So I'm either going to have to weld this other one up, and I'm not a welder, or what I did was, I'm so concerned about leaks that this is the first time I've done this. This is one of the first radiators that was sent to me from VT. It's probably 10 years old. But what I've done, let me switch hands here, is I've taken my air hose onto my compressor, and I put it into one of these slots right here. What the fuck is this shit? Get out of there. Damn it. Can't make a movie without all this crap floating around. I've put compressed air in here. I've held on to this one. Miss DIO, my daughter, has held on to this one. And I found out that it was leaking a little bit in the top here. Now let me tell you something about these, the tip of the day about these European hose clamps or Jubilee clamps. What I did with this, one of the reasons I'm doing this is because I clamped this hose on, and you can see you can look at it. That bitch is on there tight. These hose clamps actually deformed the brass nipple on here. What I mean deformed is crushed it. I could keep going, okay, and this thing would keep going and going and going, just like a boa constrictor. That's why these hose clamps are so good, because regular Chinese hose clamps, they will get to a point, and then what they do is they strip out. I've never seen one of these strip. And the weird part about the clamps is that I can find one that's just a tiny bit smaller than the hose I'm using, or a little bit bigger, which these are the bigger ones. And of course they're all done in millimeters, and they're all sold, and well, here they are right here. These are the hose clamps. Right here I bought a bunch of them. They're from ABA company. They even wrote it in English, but you can see all the hose clamps in there. I bought two different sizes. Shit. One size and then a little bit bigger size. The small size is on these right here. And you can see how much clamping power they have all the way around them. So if you want the best hose clamps in the world, or Jubilee clamps as they call in Europe, go to ABA. And they're even come in the same blue as my bike, which is a added bonus. You know a hose clamp is good, or a Jubilee clamp is good, when you tighten that bitch down and it crushes your nipples. It's a nipple crusher. It sounds like I'm making a damn porn. Alright, anyway, once I found out this doesn't have any leaks in it, which I don't believe it does, then I'll mount it on here. And I'm getting a little depressed because everything's going slow, but I'm really trying to get it all done. I just run into a problem here and a problem there, and it's I just wish I could just put it all together and go. Alright, and I think the water test does work on this. Now if I can get my hose on here, down both sides of the bike, going oh, shit, damn rocks, going down this side and this side, then I've got a chance of getting this to work. Well, I know it'll work. It's just It's just been fighting me for a while. Okay, we continue.